video, I'll be demonstrating how you can share tasks and create tasks on behalf of other users and how you would get that set up from an admin's perspective. So if you are the admin and you'd like to get this set up, firstly, if you go to the admin section within Colleague and select where it says user group permissions, and then go down to where it says admin and select calendar and tasks entries. You'll notice here that it has the option that says create tasks against another user within Teams. So if you have Teams set within Colleague for your users, what this will allow them to do is create tasks for people within the same team as them. So if you'd like for them to be able to do that, you'd select full access here. And the other option is to create tasks against any users, and this will allow them to be able to create tasks against any users within your system, and that would also need to be full access if you'd like for them to be able to do that. So if you head back to the admin section and say for example there are specific users that are not happy with sharing their tasks or people creating tasks on behalf of them, if you go to where it says users and select the users you'd like to change that for, and then go to where it says share calendar and tasks. And if you select no, this will override the user group permissions you've just set, and it will prevent people from being able to share and create tasks with this user. But in this case, we'll set it as yes, as I'm going to be demonstrating shortly how you can do that. The next place you'd need to head to is Outlook. So you'd need to head to the tasks section within Outlook and then go to where it says folder and select folder permissions. Once you've done that, you'd need to make sure that where it says default and that the permission level is set to editor. If it's not, what you'd need to do is select this from the drop down here and then press OK. Once those have both been set up, if you head to the tasks section within Colleague, firstly I'll demonstrate how you'll be able to see tasks of other users. So you'd select the user drop down, select the user you'd like to see the tasks for, and it will display all of their ongoing tasks. If you'd like to create a new task on behalf of another user, you'd basically select where it says add new task, and you'd select the drop down menu where it says user, and you'd select the user that you'd like to create the task for. And you can also keep yourself selected as well, or select others, and this will create tasks for all of those. However, in this case we'll just keep it as the one user that we're going to be creating task for. And then you pop in the relevant information. So in here I'll put Cam's task, and then I'll pop in the information, so the start date, the due date, and if there's any entities that need to be attached, or pop in the notes or anything like that. But if you're happy, select save, and you'll notice now that that task has been added to Cameron's drop down of tasks that are outstanding. I hope this helps.